is the mother of all, as it helps us sustain our life. However, we've made the grave mistake into giving in to our greediness. Now, the balance of Mother Nature is, well, gone. But how are we supposed to get it back? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings. My name is Alicia Hana, and in today's video, I will be discussing on the topic Mother Nature with one of our loveliest teachers, Miss
Dini.
Miss Dini, it is a pleasure to have you here, to be willing to be interviewed. So one of our general questions that we like to ask is, what do you do if you see trash lying around?
If I see trash lying around, then I will pick it up. But sometimes I will ask my students to pick it up too, because I want them to know that they need to care for the environment.
That's actually a really logical response, actually, in order to teach yourself, in order to teach other students to care about the environment. This is the last question. So what is your opinion on today's environment, like as of now? Like, what do you feel about it?
I think today's environment is in a crisis because look around us. Okay, we see rubbish everywhere, and despite our efforts to recycle, our landfills aren't decreasing, and our climate is getting hotter by the day too. So I think our environment is in crisis.
Yeah. As of lately, I've seen in the news that it has gotten actually really worse. So actually, thank you for giving your opinion, because you actually have brought a lot of awareness to it that a lot of people don't seem to really be speaking on. So thank you again for spending the time and giving your responses for this interview.
So there are many ways to save our environment. The government has established many laws that for offenders who pollute the environment. Other than that, the existing Taman Negara that is in Pahang is also one of the government's work. Other than the government, non-government organizations such like this, Elmina, that has been preserved by Sam Dabi,